Section A, attempt any 20 out of 24 questions. Question number 1. Industrialization began in which one of the following European countries in the second half of the 18th century? Germany, France, Italy, England. So here for question number 1, the correct answer is England. Now question number 2. Which type of governments were mainly driven in Europe after the defeat of Napoleon in 1815? A. Conservative, B. Liberal, C. Federal, D. Feudal. So option A, conservative. Question number 3. Which one of the following group of countries collectively defeated Napoleon in 1815? A. Britain, Russia, Persia and Austria. B. Britain, Russia, Persia and Australia. C. Britain, Russia, Netherlands and Germany. D. Britain, Luxembourg, Germany and Italy. So for question number 3, again option A, that is Britain, Russia, Persia and Austria. Now question number 4. In which one of the following countries did the first liberalist nationalist upheaval take place in July 1830? A. France, B. Germany, C. England, D. Italy. So the correct answer is France. Now question number 5. Who among the following remarked, when France sneezes, the rest of Europe catches cold? A. Lord Byron, B. Metternich, C. John Heder, D. Napoleon. So for 5th, that is Metternich, option number B. Now question number 6. Who among the following was the architect for the unification of Germany? A. Otto von Bismarck, B. William I, C. Frederick III, D. William II. So here it is Otto von Bismarck. Question number 7. Who among the following had sought to put together a coherent program for a unitary Italian republic during 1830s? A. Victor Emmanuel I, B. Victor Emmanuel II, C. Giuseppe Mazzini, D. Count Cavour. So option number C is correct. Now question number 8. In which one of the following states is overgrazing the main reason for land degradation? A. Maharashtra, B. Punjab, C. Haryana, D. Uttar Pradesh. So option number A is correct. Question number 9. Identify the soil which ranges from red to brown in color and saline in nature. A. Red soil, B. Laterite soil, C. Arid soil, D. Alluvial soil. Option number C is correct. Now question number 10. Which one of the following forces leads to maximum soil erosion in plains? A. Wind, B. Glacier, C. Running water, D. Earthquake. So for question number 10, it is running water. Question number 11. Deforestation due to mining has caused severe land degradation in which one of the following states? A. Odisha, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Gujarat. So it is Odisha. Question number 12. Who among the following was porcelain king of United Italy in 1861? Charles I, Victor Emmanuel II, Giuseppe Garibaldi, Nero. So for 12th, it is Victor Emmanuel II. Question number 13. Which one of the following subjects is included in the union list? A. Communication, B. Trade, C. Commerce, D. Irrigation. So it is communication, option A. Now question number 14. Which one of the following elements is not included in the Belgium model? So for 14, it is option number D. Question number 15. Which one of the following countries is the example of holding together federation? A. Australia, B. India, C. USA, D. Switzerland. So here holding together federation, the correct answer is India. Question number 16. Which one of the following ethnic communities is in majority in Sri Lanka? So here in Sri Lanka, option number D, yani Sinhalese. Now question number 17. Which one of the following subjects is included in the state list? A. Banking, B. Business, C. Currency, D. Communication. So in question number 17, correct answer is business. Now question number 18, activities that help in the development of primary and secondary sectors come under which one of the following sectors? A. Primary, B. Secondary, C. Territory, D. Quaternary. So for question number 18, it is territory. Question number 19, identify the correct features of unitary form of government from the following options. Now question number 20, at the initial stage of development, which one of the following sectors was the most important of economic activities? Okay, so option number A is primary, B is secondary, C is territory, D is quaternary. Now in 20, the correct option is primary. Now 21, activities in which natural products are changed into other forms come under which one of the following sectors? It is secondary. Now question number 22, the products received by exploiting natural resources come under which one of the following sectors? A. Quaternary, B. Territory, C. Secondary, D. Primary. So here very simple, it is primary. Now question number 23, which one of the following factors is mainly responsible for declining water level in India? A. Irrigation, B. Industrialization, C. Urbanization, D. Overutilization. So overutilization is the main reason, okay, main factor. So here option number D is correct. Now question number 24, which one of the following subjects is included in the concurrent list? Option D is correct. Section B, attempt any 18 out of 22 questions. So question number 25, two statements are given below as assertion A and reason R. Read the statement and choose the most appropriate option. Assertion A, after Russian occupation in Poland, the Russian language was imposed on its people. Reason R, the use of Polish soon came to be a symbol of struggle against Russian dominance. So for 25th, option A is correct. It means both assertion A and reason are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Now question number 26, read the facts regarding the revolution of the liberals in Europe during 1848 and choose the correct option. Here option number D is correct. Okay, now question number 27. So assertion is weavers in Silesia and led a revolt against contractors in 1845. Now the reason, contractors had drastically reduced their payments. ओके, सो यहाँ पर जो सही आंसर हो जाएगा वो होगा ऑप्शन नंबर ए, बोथ आर करेक्ट एंड आर इज़ द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ असर्शन, क्योंकि उन्होंने उनका जो पेमेंट था वो रिड्यूस कर दिया था, कट कर दिया था. सो 27 में हम लोग टिक करेंगे ऑप्शन नंबर ए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, on which of the following modern aspects did the new Germany place a strong emphasis? Number 1 currency, number 2 banking, number 3 legal system, number 4 demography. So option number D. Now 29, which one of the following Italian states was ruled by an Italian princely house? Okay, for question number 29, so D option is correct. Now come on for question number 30. Identify the characteristics of cover among the following and choose the correct options. The option number B. So यहाँ पे हम लोग टिक करेंगे ऑप्शन नंबर B. Now question number 31, again it is based on the assertion and reason. So assertion is, in Britain the formation of the nation state was not the result of a sudden upheaval, and the reason is ethnic groups of Britain extended its influence. So दोनों ही सही हैं, ओके, तो यहाँ भी हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए को टिक कर लेंगे। 31 का हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट? सो नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, सो नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम मीन्स एन इक्विटेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज। नाउ 32 में डी हो जाएगा। 33, which one of the following human activities has contribute most in land degradation? So for 33, option A is correct. Now question number 34 is again assertion and reason based. So here I will read just only assertion and reason, then answers. So the assertion is Indian farmers should diversify their cropping pattern from cereals to high value crops, and the reason is this will increase income and reduce environmental degradation simultaneously. सो यहाँ पर असर्शन भी करेक्ट है क्योंकि वो सीरियल से हाई वैल्यू क्रॉप्स की तरफ की बात कर रहा है, और ये भी बता रहा है रीज़न में क्योंकि ये उनकी इनकम को भी इंक्रीज़ करेगा और जो इन्वायरमेंटल का डिग्रेडेशन है उसे भी कम करेगा। सो बोथ आर करेक्ट। सो यहाँ भी ऑप्शन ए हो जाएगा हमारा। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, again it is given assertion and reason based question. Assertion is majority community is dominant in a few democratic states. Reason, dominance can undermine the unity of the country. So same, both are correct, means assertion A is correct and R is the correct explanation. So option number A correct हो जाएगा 35 में। Question number 36, the assertion is power sharing is good. Reason, it helps to reduce the possibility of conflicts between social groups. तो हम यहाँ पर ए ऑप्शन को चूज़ करेंगे। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, चूज़ द करेक्ट पेयर एमंग द फॉलोइंग। तो देखिए ये क्या है, कंट्री एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। सो ए रसिया यूनिटरी, बी चाइना फेडरल, सी कनाडा यूनिटरी, डी अर्जेंटीना फेडरल। सो क्वेश्चन 37 का ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट होगा, अर्जेंटीना फेडरल। नाउ 38, द असर्शन इज द डिस्ट्रस्ट बिटवीन Sinhalese and Tamil communities turned into widespread conflict in Sri Lanka. Reason is 1956 Act recognized Sinhala as the only official language. Once again we will take option A. So mostly in assertion and reason in this question paper option A is correct. Okay. Now 39, identify horizontal power sharing arrangements among the following in modern democracies. So 39 different organs of government. Okay, so option A is correct. Now question number 40, match column 1 with column 2 and choose the correct option. दोनों ही ऑप्शन करेक्ट हैं। तो यूनियन लिस्ट जो है वो डिफेंस के लिए है। नंबर 2 में देखिए स्टेट लिस्ट पुलिस हो गया क्योंकि पुलिस की कमांडिंग जो होती है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से होती है। एंड थर्ड इज़ कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट है, कॉन्करेंट का मतलब हो गया थर्ड में बी, देखिए फॉरेस्ट हो गया। नंबर 4 है सब्सिडरी मैटर्स, वो ए में चला गया। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कमिंग टुगेदर फेडरेशन? ए कमिंग टुगेदर फेडरेशन, ऑप्शन नंबर ए यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। 42, व्हाट इज़ नॉट एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट? गवर्नमेंट का कौन सा पार्ट नहीं है? ओके, नहीं वाले को ध्यान से देखना है। तो इसमें जो ऑफिस ऑफ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर है वो इंटीग्रल पार्ट उसका नहीं होता है। तो यहाँ पर ऑप्शन ए हमारा करेक्ट हो गया है। 43 में देखिए असर्शन, केरला हैज़ लो इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट। रीज़न, केरला हैज़ एडिक्वेट प्रोविज़न ऑफ बेसिक हेल्थ एंड एजुकेशन फैसिलिटीज़। सो इन द रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ केरला बोथ are correct, means assertion is also correct and this reason is giving the correct explanation. तो हम इसमें A को चूज़ कर लेंगे, A is correct. Now question number 44, suppose there are 4 families in your locality. The average per capita income of whom is rupees 10,000. If the income of 3 families is rupees 6,000, 8,000 and 14,000 respectively, what would be the income of the फोर्थ फैमिली, ऑप्शन नंबर सी टिक कर लेंगे हम। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्टर्स शोज द हाईएस्ट शेयर इन ग्रॉस डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोडक्ट जीडीपी इन इंडिया? ए प्राइमरी, बी सेकेंडरी, सी टेरिटरी, डी क्वार्टरनरी। सो 45, ऑप्शन नंबर सी टेरिटरी। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 46, which one of the following sectors shows the highest share in employment in 2017-18 in India? Option A is correct. Now so tick on option A. Now section C. This section consists of two cases A and B. There are total of 12 questions in this section. Attempt any 5 questions from each case. Okay. Now case A, read the source given below. Attempt any 5 questions out of 6. 6 में से कोई भी आपको 5 करने हैं। देखिए जूमिंग। So based on this case study, now question number 47, how is the primitive substances agriculture related with zooming? It is based on shifting cultivation. So A के ऊपर टिक कर देंगे हम। Now question number 48, the slash and burn agriculture is known as konku in which one of the following countries? The option A is correct, means Venezuela. Question number 49, the slash and burn agriculture is known as roca in which one of the following countries? ये हो जाएगा ऑप्शन नंबर C. Now 50, identify the major problems of zooming cultivation. सो जो जूमिंग होती है इसमें प्रोडक्शन थोड़ा कम हो जाता है, तो यहाँ पर हम ऑप्शन नंबर डी चूज़ कर लेंगे। नाउ 51, इन इंडिया स्लैश एंड बर्न एग्रीकल्चर इज़ नोन एज बेवर इन विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट्स? तो आप उसमें देख सकते हैं, इसके लिए हम आंसर टिक करेंगे मध्य प्रदेश, बिकॉज ये मध्य प्रदेश से रिलेटेड है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 52, मैच कॉलम 1 विद द कॉलम 2 एंड चूज द करेक्ट। नंबर 1, आंध्र प्रदेश कुरुआ, उड़ीसा वालरे, राजस्थान पेंडा, झारखंड पामाडाबी। नाउ ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। 52. नाउ केस स्टडी बी, रीड द सोर्स गिवन बिलो, अटेम्प्ट एनी 5 questions out of 6. Okay, now here directly I am going to solve question number 53 to 58. Question number 53, which one of the following economic sectors is Lakshmi related to? Primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary? Primary. Now question number 54, which one of the following categories of farmers is Lakshmi related to? So big, medium, marginal, agricultural laborer. So here option number C is correct. Now question number 55, in which one of the following sectors is underemployment seen at the maximum? A industry, B agriculture, C trade, D commerce. So here the correct option is agriculture. Now question number 56, how does construction of dams and canals create employment in large number in rural areas? So here adjustment of large number of unskilled laborers, option C. Okay. Now question number 57, which one of the following is the main result of increasing irrigation facility in the field of agriculture? So here option A is correct. Now question number 58, which one of the following means of irrigation generally comes under the public sector? Well, tube well, tank, canal. The answer is canal. Now section D, map based question 59 and 60 are mandatory. Now question number 59, on the outline political map of India, on page number 13 you can see the map. Point A is marked as a dam. Identify it from the following options. It is Tehri, B Sardar Sarovar, C Hirakund, D Nagarjun Sagar. Okay, so point A you can see for 59 I am making just a circle, this portion A. So here it is Hirakund. So option C. Now question number 60. On the map, B is also marked as the largest jute producer state. Identify it from the following options. So West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, Odisha. So in the case of jute, West Bengal is the highest producer. So for this point B, it is West Bengal. Okay, so here we completed all the answers of question 1 to 60. I hope you liked the video. So if you are new on my channel, like, share and subscribe YouTube channel EduTerra.